Hello friends, in this session I will give you tips to do multiplication with very less use of pen and paper, and that will save a lot of time while doing lengthy calculations in an examination. So it's a session which is on Vedic mathematics or faster calculation. I'll give you the first thing in this, which is multiplication of two numbers by using base method of multiplication. You can multiply two numbers by using various methods. It can be a crisscross method of multiplication or it can be a base method of multiplication. Let me start with base method of multiplication. Before I do that, let me explain you what is a base. In this base, I am defining as a number which is close to both the numbers which are getting multiplied. So when I am multiplying two numbers, base is a number which is close to both the numbers. Right? Secondly, it's a number which is very easy to handle, number with which you are comfortable with. I'll give you an example. Let's say I wanted to multiply 107 with 109. Now both these two numbers are close to, if I want to find what is the base that I should be taking for this number. So base that I'll be selecting will be 100. Why? Because 100 is close to both 107 as well as 109, and it is also a number with which you are very comfortable with. So if you had an option of selecting either 110 as a base or 100 as a base, so 100 satisfied both the criteria because it is easy to handle, number with which you are comfortable with, and it's also close to both the numbers. So what I need to do now is, I'll have to compare my number with my base. So my number, which is 107, is 7 more than my base, so I'll write plus 7 here. Similarly, my number, which is 109, is plus 9 more than my base, so I'll write plus 9 here. So now my answer will have, my calculation will have two parts, a left hand side and a right hand side. The right hand side of my answer will be multiplication of the surplus, which is 7 into 9, which is 63. And the left hand side will be, you either add 7 to 107, 9 to 107, or you add 7 to 109, you will be getting 116. So your answer is 11663. Right? Now, herein we were multiplying two numbers wherein both the numbers were more than my base. There can be a case wherein both the numbers are less than my base. Let's say I wanted to multiply 91 with 94. Again, I have an option of either selecting a base of 100 or an option of selecting a base of 90. Now, I think it's very clear that this is a number which is easy to handle and close to both the numbers. So if I compare 91 with 100, there is a deficit of 9 here, and similarly there is a deficit of 6 here. So right hand side, as I told you, is a multiplication of the deficits in this case. 6 into 9 will come out to be a positive 54. Right? Now this is the right hand side of my answer. The left hand side will be, you subtract 6 from 91 or you subtract 9 from 94. You will end up getting 85. So your answer is 8554. So this is the multiplication of 91 with 94. The third case is wherein one of the number is more than my base and second number is less than my base. Let's say, for example, if I wanted to multiply 108 with 93. Again, taking a base of 100. This is a surplus of 8 and this is a surplus deficit of 7. So my right hand side in this case will come out to be negative. 8 into 7 will come out to be equal to 56. So this is the right hand side of my answer. The left hand side will be, you either add 8 to it or you subtract 7 from this, which will come out to be equal to 101. Now the calculation cannot be 101 minus 56. So there's some kind of a logic that you need to apply. Now I want to make it positive, minus 56 as a positive thing. So if I do a carry forward of 1 here, on a base of 100, a carry forward of 1 on the right hand side will act like 100. So 100 minus 56 will come out to be equal to 44. As I have taken 1 from here, so I will be left with 100 here. So your answer is 10044.